morning children. Welcome back to your VVPSC learning class children. As you all know that yesterday I have completed your English literature workbook lesson 8 The Wise Men of Ramnagar. Today I am going to complete your English language lesson prepositions. So you have to go through it and read the chapter properly. After my demonstration you have to start writing in your English language fair copy the definition of prepositions. So first question started that what do you mean by preposition? First question started that what do you mean by prepositions? So prepositions are the words which come before noun or pronoun and it makes the relation with the other words also. Okay children, so go through the chapter. It is very easy. Some examples are there, that after, on, into, these are the examples of preposition. So children, go through it, and if you feel any problem you can ask me in the class group or personally also children. So let's begin with the chapter preposition children of English language. Okay students, as you all know that yesterday I have completed your lesson number 8 of workbook. Today I am going to start your lesson 14 prepositions of English language. So students, come to this chapter. This is in the page number 47 children. Okay, so topic is prepositions. So prepositions, what do you mean by prepositions? Prepositions are the words used before noun or pronoun to show their relationship with other words in a sentence. Means prepositions are the words which are used before noun or pronoun to show their relationship with the other words in a sentence. Just like, for example, on, off, for, from, in, into, upon, to, about, beyond, over, etc. are prepositions. Okay children, so first example is given like this: the frog jumped into the well. In this, into is the preposition. Into word is used as preposition because it is showing the relationship between frog and well. Okay children, so into is used as a preposition. Come to the next. He fell from the horse. Here from is used as preposition because it is showing the relationship between he and horse. Come to the next. Who was talking about me? Here it is showing the, here about word is used as a preposition and it is showing the relationship between whom means somebody is there and me. So it is showing the relationship with somebody and me. So it is about is used as a preposition here. Come to the next. I study from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. So I study from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. In this, from is used as a preposition and it is showing the relationship of I and the timing. Okay, so it is preposition. Here next is my uncle presented this watch to me. So here word is to is used as a preposition and it is showing the relationship between my uncle and the watch. Come to the next. The bulb was above the picture. So above word is used as a preposition. All blue words are highlighted as a preposition. So you all have to know that on, off, for, from, in, into, upon, to, about, beyond and over are the prepositions children. The book is on the table. In this, on is used as a preposition. It is showing the relationship between book and table. Next is I like the people of Japan. So here it is showing the relationship between I and people of Japan. So of is the use as preposition. Come to the next. The horse jumped over the fence. The horse jumped over the fence. Over is used as a preposition, and it is between horse and fence. So you have to complete it like this. Go through this chapter preposition, and if you feel any problem, you can ask me in the class group or personally also, children. Now I am going to tell you how can you write it in your English language copy also. Okay, children? So come to the copy. Definition. So mention today's date 27/11/20, lesson 14, prepositions at right side classwork. So write down the heading definition. Prepositions are used before nouns or pronouns to show their relationship with other words in a sentence. For example, means prepositions are used before nouns or pronouns to show their relationship with other words in a sentence. It is known as preposition. So the first example is a frog jumped into the well. Next is he fell from the horse. And the third one is the book is on the table. In this, into, from, on are all prepositions. So in the first sentence, into is the preposition. It shows the relationship between frog and the well. Now it is clear to you all. So you all have to write it in your English language fear copy. Write down the definition, examples as it is, as I have completed. And you have to mention the preposition definition with the black pen, because it is the headings which we have to highlight, children. Okay, so complete it properly and go through it, read it. So if you feel any problem, you can ask. And today's your homework is to learn this chapter prepositions. Okay, beta. Thank you.